Yes, hi students. I am Dr. Benedict Valentine, your lecturer for BO 2000 on the FIM. And let's go right into chapter 1. And you can see chapter 1, we have the midterm test as 20%. Right, and we have the assignment as another 20%, and your final examination is 60%. And please take note that when will be your midterm test and your assignment, all that has been uploaded into your e-learn, right? And the particular topic for chapter 1 is the introduction to the financial system. And you notice that the important area is the 5-sector model. Now, what is this 5-sector model? It means government, firms, financial institution, rest of the world, and household. How all these are interacted in the flow of funds into the economic system. Now, you need to know these are important because it will be addressed in your midterm and in your finals as well. Now you need to also know what are leakages and what are the various injections done into the financial system. Now you also need to know briefly what is fiscal and monetary policies. Now these are important terminologies, and what is the primary objective of monetary policy, and also central banks implement monetary policy via open market operation, discount rate, and reserve requirement. Now, this is another important crucial for the exam. What is the role of financial system? And you are to remember these 5 areas. Once again, this is a reading subject, so you are required to read the reading material and the textbook. You do not, I repeat, you do not have to buy the textbook, but please do your references in the library. If you want to buy, you can always go to our the second-hand books that are available, right? And what are DSUs and what are SSUs? This is another terminology that you need to know. And the other important area is 3 main incentive problems. Please take note: information asymmetry, adverse selection, and moral hazard. And the 3 main financial market efficiency, allocational efficiency, informational efficiency, and operational efficiency. Right, and the next one is on payment system, and this particular diagram is important for your understanding. And what are the difference between direct and indirect financing, the advantages and the disadvantages of direct, and also of indirect financing, and the main benefits of financial intermediation. What are examples of financial intermediation? These are banks, financial and also financial institutions like insurance. Now, these are the financial mediating agents. Now, what are their main function? All these are listed here in the 5 main functions. The 5 main functions: asset transformation, denominational divisibility, currency transformation, maturity, flexibility, and liquidity. Now we have matching principle, which I will discuss with you in the class. And you have what are primary markets, what are secondary markets, what are money markets, and what are capital markets, and finally what are debt market and equity market. Now these are the important terminologies, and this overview is shows you the summary of the various markets that are in the financial system, right? The other important area is the main function of RBI. So there's a lot of memory work here and understanding on the first chapter. So if you do not get this right, then you will find a problem when you answer questions in your midterm and also your final exams. So please ensure that you understand chapter 1. Thank you.